Hi, I'm Deltrice Hart Anderson with D Hart Accounting, where we keep the IRS and state agencies out of the bank accounts and pocketbooks of taxpayers, both individuals as well as businesses. Wanted to share a letter, or an email I should say, that I received with a question about what the IRS can and cannot do. I receive these emails or phone calls on a regular basis and know if one person has a question about it, I'm sure others have questions about it too. So I'll just read the email or a piece of it. And it goes, I was self-employed and haven't been able to pay my taxes for 3 years. Now I am a W-2 employee, but I'm getting letters from the IRS demanding payment and threatening to garnish my paycheck. Can they do this? And what should I do? Yes, the IRS can garnish your paycheck. The IRS doesn't like to be ignored, and they want you to know that they are not going to go away, especially when they see that you have another resource or another income source. They have a lot of power over your life. They can actually collect whatever taxes that you owe over a 10-year time span based on the date that you filed the return where you owe money. Not only can they freeze your bank accounts, they can seize the money in those accounts. They can garnish your wages. They can legally take as much as 75% of your net paycheck. Besides slapping bank levies, wage garnishments, they can also put a lien on your house or other property if you have it. If you sell your house, the IRS gets that money first if there is sufficient equity to pay it all off. Federal tax liens can, of course, damage you. If you don't have a house, you may lose the ability to get a house. If you're trying to sell a house, then it's going to be hard for you to sell it if you have a lien. It could just, if you're trying to get an apartment, it could damage your possibilities or ruin your possibilities to get an apartment. They can even show up at your door, unfortunately. That's one of the last resorts, but they can actually do so. And on top of all of that chaos, the IRS interest and penalty assessments continue to accrue on a daily basis. So to answer your question, or to further answer your question, what you should do, you should address the issue. You should seek help if you don't know how to navigate all of what's going on. Seek help immediately. Get someone to help you figure out what your options are, whether the debt is actually yours, whether you have any type of relief when it comes to penalties and interest. You don't want them to come to you first. You want to always go to them first. And that's pretty much it. And know that we're here for you. We offer immediate relief by protecting you from the IRS garnishing your wages and taking money from your bank accounts. We at D Hart Accounting are experts in solving IRS tax and state problems, and we help taxpayers with their problems every day. Remember, there is a solution to every problem. Give us a call at 803-739-9449 or visit us on the web at www.dhartaccounting.com. That's www.dhartaccounting.com. Thank you.